55,000 customers, maybe 30 will phone per day. Of those 30, angwazi ukuthi uchairman wesigaba ngubani. Kunzima. Asiwazi ukuthi le committee lapha kuhlala uchairman nguzibani kumbe wenza ama election, it's not that easy for us. Akukwaniseki. Because kakhulu, especially when they are doing fault, uJoboringo will be in the office coordinating the works. Nginikwe numberless, nginikwe numberless. Lo umuntu who is there, ngumessenger, ngu-electrician. Anjo, sizama ukuthi sibalekele futhi lokwana ukuthi umuntu lona electrician abehlala ekhuluma lani kakhulu. Licine sesithi ngimnika imali. Anjo, sibalekela khona ukuzama ukavoid i-corruption yona le isebulele elizwe lethu. Anjo, sizama ukuthi lowo muntu angathunywa khona do this. Anjo, this is why we're trying to do that. Kuba nzima ukuthi sicommunicate kini, especially ama-chairperson. We don't even know how you do your elections or when. Angwazi even ama-chairman, ama-residents ukuthi ngubani. Mina, I'm lucky to only know who Abuswindi because we meet 2-3 places. Labanye laba baningi, we meet every time when we do the meetings. But to be talking to you every time before we come to a fault. Umbuzo, ngicela lithi liwukhiphe kakhulu ezesa liwufake kuzera because they are the people who approve ama-tariff. Anjo, Zimbabwe Energy Regulatory Authority Board. Anjo babe.
You cannot tell us ukuthi lilama procurement procedures when people's lives are at danger. Umama lwana into ayikhulumileyo, if I was you, I would take that serious. Okwesibili, mina ngihlala eNtumbane. I-load shedding it is just abnormal. Okuzisa ubuhlungu izakhamizi ukuthi thina kasila mamitha. We pay a fixed charge. Lithini ngathi thina sibhadalela ama-services that we are not getting. Sicela nisclarifyele khonapho. Bese mbuye kokugcina to the executive yebhophu ukuthi next time when you call ama-meetings anje, ukuzoba uJoboringo bangaqatshi ngomunwe, sicela lisibizele lama-legislators. Laba abantu bezera la aphendule what belongs to him, abezera baphendule okuqondane lokwabo, i-government iphendulane lokuqondane lokwabo, because we are sick and tired ngamanga ezera.
Kuba kuthe khona abantu bayabhadala abantu bezesa ukuthi babalungisele izinto okungekho emthethweni. Into eyenza kube njalo baba ukuthi lina singareporta alibuyi libhadala. Mina ngangifuna into yami yenzakala, ngizambhadala nalowo okungekho emthethweni alingisulutho lwami. That is one. Okwesi-2, mina suggestion yami ngibona ngani izesa vele iyazehlulekela. Izesa kayibuyele back to city council lapha ekhona kudala. Kwakungalasikole sezesa uzesa vele kahambe. Asafuni uzesa kahambe.
Kulabantu abalama fixed load limiters. Izesa ebantwini abanjalo siyakhweza ama-tariffs. Kube sokutholakala ukuthi babisi gesi ngo-half level kumbe ngo-half 10 bayihambise ngo-half 5 ikusigcoba amafutha ungani sidlile. So bona sibili in their fair-mindedness nxa ama-load limiters are-accumulative nxa ungabhadalanga ukuthi sibe sibhadala mbitshana yabantu abaningi baya-oze sibe sibhadala mbitshana, but in all fairness baba Joboringo ubona ngazathi mina ngingahamba ngiyobhadalela izesa ebuye ngo-half level iyahamba ngo-half 5 yikusifaka amafutha kungani sidlile. Sicela ukuthi khona lapho lile policy yini to rectify that kumbe lithi kusengwa ezehlisa.
We have got a 3-month problem right now. Wena kini lapho vela khona ulabazalana iBhayibheli ithi yona hlonipha uyihlo lonyoko ukuze insuku zakho zande emhlabeni. Today hamba uyebona lapha phansi kwakho eTopisi amagetsi ayabhebha. Now ufuka khona lapho hamba uyebona baba Joboringo.
Zesamen inkomo zingu-3 each cow, inkomo enye i-$10, enye uyithengisa $20, enye but i-weight everything is the same. Uhambisa njani? Because why I'm asking so, your tariffs, the first lot you're selling it at 41, the second at 91, then the third at $3.80 something each. Why the difference where the tariffs are the same and the power is the same? I think you are robbing us there.
Kukhulunywa nge-load shedding wafanisa le bhasi eHarare elephandle So mina ngibona ngani lapha lathi sigade umgedegedli webhasi ongasahambiyo kathi kunganani ukuthi lithathe lipha abanye ithenda ibhasi ehamba yeza kuyafika eHarare zana ukuthi sifele ebhasini esithweleyo evele singalasho ukuthi izasiyafika lapha esiya khona. Okwesibili ama-tariffs esikhuluma ngawe lithi lina bengilalele ukuthi kulezera uzathengisa njani isinkwa ongasaziyo ama-ingredients akhona. Nxa umuntu esolethi isinkwa lesi siyababa uzaqasisa uthini. Sicela abezera labo libatshele nxa bekhweza ama-tariffs lina lize sithengisela futhi into engekhoyo. Kababuye labo sibabuze ngoba ukuthi sikhulume ngesidumbu esingasiboniyo akusincedisi.
Kule project yeMatoka Gorge finally sinike i-electricity. How far have you gone trying to procure the electricity from that side? Can you highlight ukuthi selihambe okungakanani?
Safakelwa ama-prepaid meters kuwathi 11 emakhandeni. Uhlupho esilalo ukuthi ama-meter lawa angafa kungaso even inegligence yakho ezesabathi kufanele uthenge imeter leyo uyi-replace. So ngokubona kwami ngibona ngani into engekho fair ngoba nxa into ungayibulalanga ingaso property yakho uzayireplace njani?
Akusiko qiniso ba. ICIU ucharge wa $65 ungayiwisa kuphela. Ingafa uyayileta kithi. Ucharge wa 65 ungathiwa seyiwile. Because bayafika bathi bayikangele sibili ukuthi kanjani. ICIU ucharge kuphela ma uyiwisile. Ma ifile siyabuya sizozirepair ba. You can give up an example as I leave this place, please give me the details, I will assist you. And then Batoka Gorge. Batoka Gorge is a project between Zimbabwe and Zambia. It's in pipeline, Baba, it's going well. Lingabe labona ukuthi 3, 4, 5 years, ZESA was forced to pay something to Zambia. For its credit, Takudara. It was more like a blackmail, so that would be actually part of Batoka project. It's in pipeline. Then sokubuyu umama ukurume ute ZESA has failed. Mfuna ukuthi ngiqasise ukuthi iZESA yavela ngaphi. ZESA was formed by government. It combined the city council, the electoral department, electricity supply commission, and KEPCO to form ZESA. It was a government charge. However, you have the power to change everything. Ujoboringo cannot comment about ukuthi lingafuna ukuyichinja isefeyilile, angila comment on that one. But I'm just saying, the same people, it actually went via the government, the parliament, authority, it was an act to form ZESA. It didn't really just come up from there. A few days ago, kwaba nama problems with city council. Councillors and Minister Charles. Minister Charles came to Blawa Power Station. He wanted to dismantle those towers to rebuild them. This is me, Anjo. And when he came there, people said what they said. That was the good forum, the best forum to say whatever you want to say. Anjo, Joboringo is an employee. I will only respond to operational issues. Policy issues are a little bit complicated. They are done at government level. Then tariff bar. Then Mama Kudume, then again about the tariff. And in particular, we went into every household, putting a weather deck on it on every household. Because the problem is that they are semi-detached houses. Bakona wanyata le ntumani. Many anjo alafu na sikupaka. isizathu lesana besifuna ukufaka amameter 1 per customer because ma intambo 1 ifida abantu bangu-3 akuyenzi ukufaka i-cash power phezulu. I-cash power yabe seyikhangela izindlu lezana zingu-3, so kuyabe sekufuna intambo 1 kodwa sisayenza iprojekthi yona leyi mama kwabe nzima, ezinye izindlu asifikanga, but we had started that project ukuthi umuntu wonke abe le prepayment meter ukuthi siyi-eliminate ama-problems because ngo-2009 the same Zesa had written to the residents in Bulawayo to say by this month ngicela libe selifakile ama-meter ezindlini zenu. The same resident said asikwanisi imali asilayo, liyawazi khonokho. And then that's when it stopped. So Zesa was also trying, but things just went out of hand. Imali yaphelele eceleni because we did something in Chabalala. We are in Entumbane, kule zindlu safa kwa mantambo ezinenge namanye amapolo efakwa futhi mama bezama to cater for this load limiter. Unfortunately, things went bad. They could be better for the other organizations, but they are worse off for now. For us, it's so difficult about the load limiter issue. It's also a policy which needs to be taken by our own councillors, legislators to the parliament so that it is addressed. Ngiyangizwa ngicela issue ama load limiter livisiseleyi mama. Okay, you will actually explain. You will actually ask me, it's okay. Then city, issue yokuthi load limiter endlini ingabhadali ibhadali imali eluthwane. It's also a policy issue which went through the legislators, the councillors, legislators, and the parliament. It's an act of parliament. We cannot change it as such. We also feel pity for you because this not judging Haimnand. We are also losing revenue. Skurumanje. Akuda markets, we also losing revenue. But it's not that easy, Utimina or any one of us here. It's something which can only be changed via the parliament. And then it could change to BCC. This is a government act which changes. It also goes via the parliament. Ujovoringo will not really say much about it. Sure, if it is true, we are going to die, divorce, take road.
The situation in Zimbabwe at the moment is a crisis situation. It's not a normal situation. Why listening if we with a load limiters, but we look at Australia, with about 7.5, whatever. But is not normal. And you cannot have somebody without $53 every month. But to SARS, with now my case, was a nigger only for 2 hours in a week. It doesn't make sense. About the human face la. But because at times we are good, you victimize the impills of abantu, but this is cut on after all, Tina had to sign that agreement or our load limit. October against about 24/7. And then so we have broken the contract. On a long and Nigama case, no contract. That one was made very clear as policing Hapo is an issue. With the contract, Nigama case in Tando, Lambes and Patali fixed. But the person fixed, Unganigama case. So that's a serious challenge, Bandwagit. Jalele Tobango was not a high faults. Would you please? Abangabe reported these special life-threatening issues. I feel so tired with the city in Tambo Mamarane or Mamoirom. No Mamo Krimelaba. Utiena in Tambo has been on for almost a week. Lots of phone, but nothing's happening. Umbuzo good come the Bonabandu. Are they valuing the customers that they are supposed to serve? Those are serious issues. About Mobile to Bubank, about the problem. Then they start acting. About a problem, they are protected. As soon as those to me are critical. Thirdly, the issue is schedule. Is there a schedule? About the schedule, you load schedule. Moba Odun tell Utuena, a Thursday, Nenket and Damaket, full time. Now, good. but nge-Thursday yakhona awakho amagesi akhona. So 2 hours with that load shedding timetable ayisebenzi. Ngike ngikwazi ukuthi lapha mina ijambanja kodwa sibonele. So these are serious issues that we are talking about. Le issue time frame yokuthi ngampeleti fault izeza icace ukuthi pho nxa kuyi-72 hours akube yikho lokho. Okugcina abantu bakithi sikunanzela futhi ngezeza ukuthi amanamba la ama-fault esiwanikwayo hayi nambona ungathi vele ngabasiniki. Na personally abantu bayangena liyangena kugroup leyani yezakhamisi. Umuntu etende sifone usafona kula muntu odobha ifoni. Uzuyelala uvuke kuseni ayidotshwa. Angwazi mbe is it meant or what? That's a serious challenge. So we are saying those are serious issues. We are phone ngale kini vela kula muntu odobhayo uzuyelala uvuke kuseni ufona kula muntu odobhayo. Phone lezo numbers sizisanga sinikelani nxa singadotshwa. So these are clear izinto ezisegcekeni ezivayoletha amalungelo ethu njengezakhamisi. Alright, zakhamisi ezinhle besikhangela ukuthi ngakubuye abantu be-social service abahulumeni. Sifike lapha ekuseni khathesi singababoni safonela u-PA ukhonzani Ncube wasithembisa ukuthi bayabuya abakho. Ngiyakunanzelela. That's the challenge of civil servants. And ngiyakwazi waye bengabuyanga. Angaze abuye lapho kwakona umbuzo. Uyakutshela ukuthi lo open law nguminister. So siyangaphi as residents of Bulawayo? Yikho sithi na want devolution of power. Ukuthi let's have decentralized power from Harare and bring it here. Ungaletha amandla la kuzasiletha ukuthi sikwazi ukuthi nxa into singahambi ngiyangena emhlathandlela office number bani ngidila leyo situation ngithola impendulo. Kade sifika lapha umuntu athi hambe eHarare. Fone eHarare umuntu eHarare la ukuthi abatholakali omnye kadobha ifoni akusela mpendulo. In other words ngisho ukuthi uzocabanga umuntu oseHarare kuphela. Abantu balapha balangqondo bonke la. So we are saying the government must also act quickly. Abantu with devolved power, abantu banikwa amandla ukuthi bazivuse ngezabelo zabo. Sithola ama-services lapha, sibuza abantu abalapha, basinike impendulo, into zihambe. So those are serious issues to us. Labona boZuko bekuthe bayabuya. Bathe bayabuya basekho bona. I know the reason. Ngabona ukuthi yafonela eHarare kwathiwa regela zini zakho yizo. Kasabuya ngumuntu engosi seregeli. We know that. Ngoba la ubuzane. So we are saying let's devolve that power. UZuko ngazi ngifuna sidilala sidelo manager wala aspend. Angabuzi komnye umuntu. So i-bureaucracy nalesikiyo yesikhathazayo. uJobaringo njoba ubephendula. You are very correct. Uthezinto lezingeze ze-ministerial. It's true. He can't even answer. Ngale mpendulo kaphenduli. It's ministerial. Ngenxa ukuthi amandla akhona afakwe ku-one office. Umuntu wakhona nxa egula ejaye iflu engabuya ngemsebenzini akula muntu o-ansayo. Angathenga 7 days without answers. We can't have a country running like that. We are saying let's devolve power. Abantu banikwa amandla okuthi ngokuhlala kwabo babusane bathole izimpendulo. All right.